A service role is an IAM role that a service assumes to perform actions on your behalf. In this video, you will learn how to create a role that Amazon SageMaker service can assume. Let's get started. Open IAM console. Click Roles. Click Create Role. Leave Trusted Entity Type as AWS Service. Under Use Case, you need to select Service that will assume role. I selected SageMaker as I am creating a role for Amazon SageMaker service. Click Next. Since I chose to create SageMaker service role, AWS IAM pre-populated Amazon SageMaker Full Access Managed policy for this role. Click Next. For role name, specify SageMaker execution role. Note how AWS attaches a trust policy that allows Amazon SageMaker service to assume this role. Click Create Role. Congratulations! You just learned how to create an Amazon SageMaker execution role. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.